Welcome. Thanks for watching this YouTube channel. My name is Abdullah Apoyemi Falade. If you are watching this YouTube channel for the first time, do not forget to press the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Like, share, and subscribe. And of course, the subscription should come before the pressing of notification bell. So, in the previous video, we looked at how to use the SUMIFS in the Google Sheet. So in this video, we're going to look at how to use the SUMIFS, though we've tried to start in the previous video, but I think it's going to be necessary to try and lay more emphasis on using the SUMIFS function in Google Sheet. So let's try and look for the SUMIFS. Let's use the SUMIFS function to determine the sum of the furniture materials, the furniture category in the west, in the east, and central and the south. So looking at the interpretation of the SUMIFS, when you click this question mark, you can see the sum range. So we want to look at the sum of the profit obtained. Also, we can lock it, comma. We also have the criteria range 1. So the criteria range 1 is telling us what's the first focus. Our first focus is to look at where we have the region. So we're going to click on the region column, which is something around this place. Here's it. Here's the region column. Okay, I have it here. Column M. I'll lock it using the F4 key. I'll press comma. The criteria 1. What am I looking for in that place? I'm looking for, in this case now, I'm looking for west. So I'll click on this west, comma, the criteria range 2. That's the next thing, which is the column for where I will find furniture. So that will be under the category column, which I will highlight, and I'll press F4 and comma. We also, reference. I will reference the furniture, which I've already typed here, and I will lock it also because I'll be using it for other regions as well. Boom, I have the 2 criteria already. I can press enter. So I have it, and I can put my dollar and I'll drag down. Boom. So this is the profit obtained for furniture product alone. This is what is obtained for the furniture product alone. So one can easily do the same for others. So let me put this on top here. I would like to increase the cost, increase my columns. I want to have more columns as much as I can. Insert column. So I still referencing. I still have this okay, I think I have that there. So now I have AB12. Okay, now I can see that now. So for the other category we have in this column O, we have office supplies and technology. Office supplies and we have technology. So I'm going to adjust the formula. So in this case, I will not lock. This is the furniture, the office supplies, this technology, they are here now. So I'm not going to, so since I've already do the absolute referencing of furniture here, which is the AB12. So I want to make it open such that it can also pick for the office supplies and the technology. So how do I do that? Don't forget that in your referencing, if the dollar is at the back of the letter, the AB, it means you have locked the column. You free, and if you put the dollar there and you remove the dollar behind the row, it means you have freed that row, you've locked the column. So let's see that now. So if you drag to the right, what does it pick? It pick AB12. It still pick AB12. You still have AB12. So the AB12 is there. Boom, we are trying to fix this. So it's showing AB13. Oh, I can see. It's referencing AA13 before. Oh, the AB12. After the second criteria, you pick this sum range for the first one. We pick this, which is this AA13. Okay, so AA13 should be fixed. Okay, so here also we should manage this. So when you run to the right, you should pick AA13. So AA13, which is this. Okay, and you should also pick the same AA13 here. Okay, so that means this should be here. Like I said earlier, so we need to do the referencing correctly. So meaning that since we have the furniture, the office supplies and the technology are the columns, and at the row we have the west, the east, the central and the south. So here it means we are locking the column